Right, today for my vlog, and I'm sorry it's been 2 weeks, but I'm going to make custard and milk chocolate biscuits. I made some the other day, but I used the white chocolate, so I'm going to try the alternative and put some milk chocolate chunks in today. Right, I've got to heat the oven to 180 degrees centigrade, 160, or gas mark 4. Now it says to line 3 sheets with baking parchment. Right, for this you need 140 grams or 5 ounces of butter and 175 grams or 7 ounces of caster sugar. Now you also need 85 grams of white chocolate or / milk chocolate, and obviously I've gone with the milk chocolate this time. 8 ounces or 225 grams of self-raising flour, 1 egg, 85 grams of instant custard powder, and half to 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Right, I'm using my hand mixer today because it's a quick and easy recipe, so you mix this together, the butter and the sugar. Right, now I've mixed the milk, the butter and the sugar. I'm now going to add 1 egg, the vanilla essence, mix again. Right, once you've done that, you add custard powder and flour. Right, now that's mixed to a dough, I'm going to add the chocolate and I'm going to mix this in by hand because obviously it's a stiff dough now, so basically it's a case of working the chocolate in by hand. Right, it says to get a walnut size out, but I used my scoop the other day and they came out quite big, which is the way we like them. So I'm just going to do on that size, put them in a baking sheet and just pat them down with your fingers. Now you repeat that until all your dough mixture's gone. I'll come back in a bit when I've got them out the oven and I've done the rest of them. Bye for now. Right guys, the first lot is out of the oven. Now when I says do a walnut sized ball, that's if you want a smaller cookie, but I did them a little bit bigger because we like something to get his teeth into. I don't know about you, but I must say so, they are looking very yummy and they are custard and white / milk chocolate cookies. Dead easy to make. They go in the oven for between 10-12 minutes and there are your cookies. Yummy yummy in my tummy. Mr. P will put everything in the description, the ingredients and whatever, but they're dead easy to make. Anybody can make them, even Mr. P. Right, I'll probably be doing another vlog either tomorrow or Sunday because I ordered a bundt tin from Amazon. So I found a recipe out and I'm going to use my new bundt tin when it arrives. Bye for now. Models popping bottles.